only factor which is bigger is 6. See, the factors of 8 are basically 4 and 2 and 8 and 1. The only factors that are suitable for 6 is 4 and 2. So we're gonna write here 4 and 2. This happens. If the variable A has a constant, you will put it in a question like here, 2x, that's 2x squared, that's 2x over 4, and 2x over 2. So you will cancel this. So the factors will be 2x plus 4 and x plus 1. Now you know how to use TikTok method.
Yes.
Tama.
Tama.
Pwede to.
Tama.
Pwede to. Pag ito kinasin
Oh, wala na. X na yun.
With x plus 2, pag ito x plus 2.
Ay, oo nga.
No multiplication na. Ay, simplifying.
And then, PD. PD now, we'll go in the middle and say, we showed you this for you to do something.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ready? Alas ka muna. 1,